Visionary next year, it's the first ever master class that is built by MBU, and syempre our founder.
I'm sorry, what? I mean a build to sell business. Build to exit. Right? And it's hard for...
How do you ensure that you're effective and that you move yourself out of the
and see the things that you don't like about yourself? Because maybe, just maybe, that could be...
Is currently going to say, wala naman akong data talaga to say na
So I hope I inspire this story to get too.
Can you feel that? Can you feel the difference between me just receiving the opportunity that was given to me